Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is that time again. It is time for the November Boxycharm unboxing. I have not looked at this one yet, but I have seen some of the sneak previews on Instagram and I'm pretty excited to see what's in this guy. So let's open it up. I did open the tape so we can see what's going on, and let's grab the card. Okay, so this month's theme is Gold Digger. It looks like there are 5 full-size products in the box. This entire box is $21 a month, and typically you'll get over $100 worth of value, but let's see what we've got here. All right, so the first thing I see, and when you open it, you get all these goodies here, and this one wants to be first. This is a Jaunt Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. It is a $5 value, and this is in the shade something. It looks like it's a sparkle liner and it's black, so that'll be really fun to play with for the holiday season. And next, ooh, look how sparkly and fun this guy is. Lashes from Lashaholic. I really like this brand, so I'm very excited to get a new set of lashes. Ooh, they're pretty. Look at those. Those are really nice. This is the style Instaglam, which is super cute. So these are silk fiber lashes, and they're 100%, that can't be right. These 100% vegan falsies are made from premium silk fibers. Well, I guess it depends on how like stringent you are about being vegan, but some vegans don't feel that silk is considered vegan because it comes from worms. So these are valued at $14.99. So already with our pencil and our lashes, we're pretty much at the value of the box. So basically everything else coming up is just gravy. Ooh, all right, next we've got brushes. I love getting brushes. I feel like we get brushes almost every box and they're always great. These are Luxie brushes, very exciting. Luxie is a great brand. We've gotten them, I think, one other box, and it was a face set. Love them. But these, look how fun. This is called the Luminous Eye Set. They're in this little bag, which is kind of annoying. But they're sparkly. Love it. Look at that's really fun. So this looks like a detail set. It's a really they're all fine for detailing around your eyes, and it's got 4 brushes with a value of $21. So just this brush set is the value of the box, and they are nice. This one's got like a nice little angle to it. This is a round one, a little bit of a refined crease, and another angled one. They feel so nice, and I'm very, very excited to use these to create some really stunning eye looks. So Luxie brushes, and I'm going to show you everything all together at the end because there's a theme. All right, next, it looks like a palette. I guess I missed this one, but yeah, we've got a palette. This is from Ace Beauté, and this is the Grandiose palette. It's got 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. All right, let's take it out. Let's take it out. Here we go. We got it. So, Ace Beauté, that's really pretty. I'm a sucker for packaging. And, okay, pretty. So we've got, it says 4 matte and 4 shimmer. Let's take a look at 1 shimmer and 1 matte and see how we do. So this is Primrose. It feels really nice. And we'll do Cinnamon. Ooh, it almost feels like a cream. Okay, so. Nice. Nice. Okay. Wow, I can't believe the feel of that matte. It's like really silky, almost like a satin. And that shimmer looks really good. So I'm excited to play with this, and this has a value of $24.99. Those are really pretty colors. And finally, the one I'm very excited for. This is Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova, and I am to understand that this shade is not available publicly yet. It's brand new, so this is ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter. Holy smokes, I would say that is very, very glittery. Let's take a look at this. This bottle, this right here, is a $44 value. Beautiful. let's grab a brush. Let's see. Oh, hey now. That's beautiful. I don't know if we can see it so well, but it's glittery. This is gonna be, let's see. Yep, that's stunning. That is definitely a special occasion look, but it's beautiful. I'll just give it a little zhuzh for today. So that was a $44 value. All together, let's do math. Altogether, that is a $110 value in the $21 box. All right, so here's a quick look at everything that's in the box. We've got Cover FX drops, we've got Lashaholic lashes, we've got Ace Beauty palette, we've got glittery eye pencil, and a set of 4 brushes. So this entire value was $110 for $21. I think it's a really great value. This is a great month. If you don't have Boxycharm yet, I really suggest picking it up. I'll leave a link below. It's not an affiliate link. I don't get anything for it, but check it out. It's really fun, and it's actually really, really fun to get something in the mail each month that you know you're gonna really like. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, 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 bye.